Hey folks, I'm back. It's me, Mahbub Chowdhury, aka the People's Coach, aka your host and speaker for today. Welcome back to more of my educational, motivational, inspirational and insightful videos. Now, I want to talk to you guys about the difference between theory and practice. What is the difference between theory and practice? I'll tell you what it is. It's the defining factor. That one defining factor is action, as in practicality, removes doubt in what theory has. That's why theory, you can only get so far in theory, but it's nothing compared to the actual practicality, actual principles of practice and experience, the hands-on experience. These are the hidden knowledges that you cannot get through just theory-based education. There's certain knowledges, wisdoms that you will get from practically doing things. And do you know what that is? That's the emotional insight, the spiritual insight, the physical, psychological insight by doing things hands-on rather than textbook-based theory. Because emotion, hands-on, practicality is detached. But, there is a big but, you need both factors. Because when you have both factors, it makes knowledge and action a lot more powerful. And that's the thing I'm trying to bring to your attention. Life is all about balance. Where you have good, you also have bad. Where you have your highs, you also have lows. Where you have your happiness, you have your sadness. Life is all about balance. So therefore, do not neglect the other side. Don't just focus on one aspect, focus on the opposite aspect to get that even balance. That's what it's about, people. You can know so much, but it means little without action, without the practicality of things. That's the thing I'm trying to bring to your attention, people. Life is all about balance. I'll give you an example. I'm going to sidetrack here. You've heard this quote where someone will say to you, be positive. I'm saying this, don't be positive. I'm telling you no. Because being positive is such a big delusion. Because you're not focusing on the opposite, which is to be negative. So therefore, this might sound crazy. Listen up closely, listen up carefully. Let me just further elaborate on this point. What do I mean by being negative? What I mean is this. Be positive, but don't focus on that aspect without recognizing and working on the negative. Because you have to deal with negative. You can't just work on the positive and just be deluded, because the negative will affect other areas and aspects of your life. You can only run away from negative things for so long, but ultimately you have to face negativity because it's all around you. Wherever you go, it manifests in some different areas and aspects and disguises in life. So therefore you have to deal with negativity. And the negative becomes positive once you've dealt with it, once you've accumulated the skills, you've skilled yourself up, you've schooled yourself up, you've educated and empowered yourself to deal with negative things. The ultimate thing is the ability to deal with negative, to deal with negativity. Not just work on positivity. That is my point. There's another saying alongside this negative and positivity is this: work on your strengths. My thing is this: do not work on your strengths because you're already strong. You work on your weaknesses. So by working on your weaknesses, you will complement your strength, because that is how you grow stronger. In life, if you work on difficult things, life becomes easier. That is my point. Everything has a balance. So if you're going to work on the good, also work on the bad. Refine. So that is my point, people. I hope I've made sense. I hope that I've brought a few things to your attention that might be useful. So, that's all I have to say. Have a great day. Until then, take care, stay strong, stay focused, and always live to learn to power and inspire the lives of many as well as yourself. Bye for now.